death. It's been so long since I've been here. I done forgot how this works.
I know. Hey y'all, he's here. My old sidekick is
back. I'm back in the saddle. Back in the saddle again.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we are gonna make something that I think you're gonna like.
Tell me.
Mississippi
Jesus.
beef casserole.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jesus,
yes.
take the wheel. So I'm gonna roll up. Okay, I gotta get my sleeve rolled up.
I know. Did you see that?
That is not funny at all.
So it is. Let me get these little specks out of here. Whatever that is.
All specks is gone.
We have a pound and a half of ground sirloin.
Ooh, that's the good stuff.
Right?
And both of them?
Yeah, both of them. So you can use just regular ground chuck, whatever you want to use. I got the sirloin. Because, you know, nothing but the best.
If you're making anything from Mississippi, nothing but the best.
That's right.
If not, it'll turn out to be a mess.
There you go. Okay. I'm going to grab some salt and pepper.
So I'm going to do here. So, what have you been doing since I've seen you, Michelle?
You know,
Good Lord, it's been a long time.
I know. I've been living the dream.
Good. Some days I've been having nightmares, I think, but I'm not sure. All is good. Good gracious, Branch is getting busy.
Finally.
Yes, indeed.
We're kind of in a little bit of a lull right now.
Right now. It's getting close to, what is it, Mother's Day coming up?
Yeah, Mother's Day's coming up.
Graduations is coming up, so... And then it will, but let me tell you something. I don't know what day this will go out, but on, what is today? Thursday? So last night, we opened the doors and people came in. Hey everybody, we got our one and only little Michelle's little grandbaby's running around here. She's as cute as a button.
Can you say hi?
And here she is. You eating chicken, girl?
Say hi.
Look what we're fixing to make. Chicken, say hi. Tell him hi. You're here with the Mississippi guy.
Okay.
How old are you? 4. Good Lord. 4 years old.
It's good?
It's good.
It's not chicken? Okay. Okay.
But it's good no matter what it is.
Okay.
She sounds like me. Gonna eat the whole thing. Okay, I'm doing this.
Go right ahead. Okay, we are going to mix in another bowl here. I'm going to do 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese.
Cream cheese. Wow. This is a Mississippi thing.
Is it? You all use cream cheese?
Yeah.
I don't know.
We do, I think.
And now we're going to do, let me see what this is. 16 ounces of sour cream.
Sour cream. Wow.
And I also have a pot of boiling water back here because I'm going to make some egg noodles.
Oh, so this is going to be kind of like
casserole. Casserole.
I'm learning now.
Beef casserole.
Okay, Mississippi beef casserole. You already put salt. You already put pepper.
Got a little bit of salt and pepper in here for seasoning.
So, how's things been going with my ranch dressing? Everybody still liking it?
Everybody loves your ranch dressing.
You know what? That is amazing. 5 gallons, people. We got to do that again.
5 gallons a day, yes.
I had it on my head, on my elbows.
I'm just going to mix this together, and then I'm also going to add 1 package of brown gravy. I use Pioneer.
Okay.
There we go. Does that sound good?
Yes, it sounds
turn
good.
This up a little.
The word gravy makes anything sound good.
1 package of ranch dressing mix.
Speaking of ranch.
I knew you'd like this.
Jesus done it again.
Look what the Lord has done.
Exactly right.
Look what the Lord has done.
Speaking of, He has been good to us, Michelle.
He is good. He's so good.
Let me tell you something. We've been having, out at the little church, out there. Oh, and thank you for coming.
Oh,
hey,
yeah.
folks, Michelle was in a Wednesday night. I was traveling.
Oh, Tony.
I've been gone a lot lately.
I have to tell you about that. Let me throw this away.
And Michelle came on a Wednesday night. See, she won't come when I'm there. So, here she is. She comes on a Wednesday night, and what?
I came on a Wednesday night, and what's the name of it? House of Prayer.
Yes,
House of Prayer in Reed Springs, Missouri.
Yocum Pond.
And I want to tell you that I swear, it was like stepping back in time.
Wasn't it though?
I mean, I immediately, my hair permed. I smelled Aquanet.
Come on in.
It was like stepping back in time. And but you want to know what? I have to tell you how refreshing it was.
We have.
I mean, still like a little curtain on the piano. a little
Guitar.
little grandma playing
Yes,
guitar.
guitar.
That's what my grandma used to do. She led the singing.
Exactly.
And it was like so like stepping back in time. And
it is.
And not only that, the Spirit of God
Was real.
Yeah, I'm telling you. If you want a move of God, I mean, like I'm telling you, now church is so got so many services.
Now you starting to preach now.
Yeah.
Now you starting to preach.
Get
now.
in and out of church. And I love my church. I love my church.
Yes.
And I mean, everything about it is just, if you want to just slow down and let the Lord move, it was amazing.
It's crazy. This coming up Sunday, my intention was to be there for 2 weeks. My 2 weeks has turned into 8 years.
Right?
And on Sundays now, you have to come to find you a place to sit down.
That's
It's
awesome.
not big, don't get me wrong.
No, it's a little
very
church,
small,
but
very small. But I
it's
look
awesome.
out there Sunday and I see young couples that was on the brink
fire.
of divorce,
Yeah,
and
on
now
fire
here
for
they
God.
are. It's good.
It's awesome.
I almost said it's crazy, but
It's
crazy good.
It's crazy good.
Crazy good, crazy good. Right here,
Right.
just past Silver Dollar City, right here in Branson. That's fun, ain't
it's
it?
awesome, isn't it?
Not everybody can say that.
I love it.
My church is
and
just
I
past
called
Silver
my
Dollar
aunt
City.
immediately, and I said, I just stepped back in time. I mean, it was like being at the Boynton Assembly of God Church all over. I mean, it was great. It was great. I'm not making fun at all.
It's just
I'm
the
telling
things
you
that has happened.
It was just,
Unreal.
yeah, I mean, it was so slow.
Yep. And I think
They had testimony service,
Yep,
prayer
see there.
service, just like the good old days.
the good old days. When you come on Sunday, 10 o'clock, one service on Sunday, the good old days. Now, I think see, we moved up. We're on Facebook now, I think.
Oh, okay.
I don't know how that
page.
works.
House of Prayer.
House of
Look
Prayer.
them up. Reed Springs.
Reed
You're going to
Springs.
love it. You're going to
Look
love
at here.
it.
This stuff is doing something.
It is doing good. Okay, so this is
Can y'all
good
see
and
that?
brown.
Okay.
And since it's not very, I'm going to just soak that up with a paper towel, the juice out
It's
of that.
going to be hot.
Oh, it'll be fine.
Good gracious.
I don't have any fingertips left now. So, okay,
You
we're just
look at how you did that. You didn't burn your finger?
No, I don't have any fingertips left. Okay, so you're just going to soak up the remainder of that. And then we're going to get a little bit, this is what we're going to use. We're going to use a jar of these, how do you say that? Pepperoncini.
I don't have my glasses on.
Pepperoncini or pepper, I call them pepperoncinis.
I call them green
Pepperoncini.
peppers.
Okay, green peppers.
In a
So
green
what we're
bottle.
going to do is just going to pour the juice
Oh.
in there.
Are they like spicy?
No, they're not spicy at all.
Okay.
And then we're just going to let that cook. Let me turn this up a little.
Ooh, those smell good.
They do smell good, don't they?
They
I'm going
do.
to pop these in here with my mixture that I just made.
And I can't believe, I've never heard, I've heard of Mississippi, but I ain't never heard of such like this.
We're just going to use
Hey,
the whole jar.
all you Philadelphia,
Just go
Mississippi
with
people that's asking me where I've been lately, I've been working my fingers to the bone. But now, all I've got left is bony fingers. So here we are cooking this. So you got to try this at home what's today, Thursday? You got to try this at home Monday or Tuesday night.
Yeah, whenever we get this
Hey, we
on
need
there.
to put like a address or phone somewhere where they can try this stuff and call us and tell us how they like it.
Yeah, a lot of people will take a picture and put it in the comments and say, we made this.
That's what we
and-
do.
yeah,
Okay, all
yeah.
right. I don't
So
know
here's
how
your
that works.
mixture. You had a package of cream cheese, some sour cream, some brown gravy, some ranch dressing, and a jar of these pepperoncinis. And we put the juice in here. We're just going to let that cook out a little bit.
Okay.
And while we're doing that, we'll get our noodles cooked, okay? So,
Okay.
I'll take a break.
We're back. I had to roll my sleeves up past my elbows because we digging in deep now.
That's right. So, all of your juice, your
Yep.
brine from your pepperoncini peppers is going to soak up into that meat.
Yep, that's what it's doing.
And then we're going to just pour this in, which is our little cream cheese mixture.
Now
Cream
I'm
cheese,
getting
sour
it.
cream.
I'm getting it now.
Yep.
Okay, so do I just keep mixing?
Get that mixed all in there.
Mix
Yep.
it in there and try not to make a mess?
Right.
Bro, yes.
Now, I'm cooking these dumplings, but you can get whatever egg noodle you want and just cook these as directed. Takes about 8 to 10 minutes. But that's
simple.
what I'm doing, just doing those. They're almost done. Put Monterey Jack cheese in. You can
Monterey
put whatever kind you want. Cheddar, mozzarella, whatever kind you want. Colby Jack, but I'm going to use Monterey Jack.
Whatever
and I'm just going to
floats your
do
boat.
I'm just going to do about half a package, and then I'm going to put the rest of this on top.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Or we could do 2 packages.
Whatever.
I mean,
Peels your banana, whatever. Fries your chicken, whatever.
that's right.
See, I don't know what the next line is. So whatever. Okay, so mix it all up in here.
Or we could do a whole pack. I did buy 2 packages. I mean, what do you think?
Shoot, I don't know.
Okay, I got 2 packages. Let's just do a whole.
I'm the stirrer.
Let's
You're
do a whole package. Whole package of that.
You're
Let's
the
make it
brains of this thing.
And then we'll put this on top. All right.
It's going to be
I'm gonna go get
Mississippi,
Okay, I'm draining my
Florida,
noodles.
New York, wherever. Can you smell it? Smelling good.
Those drain.
Oh, so they go.
Putting them right in there.
Okay. Oh, now we're getting
Now,
a full
I have
bucket.
my oven set to 400 degrees, and we're going to put them into a casserole dish.
Am I supposed to be stirring it?
Yeah, stir it, mix her up, mix her
But
up.
I'm fixing to spill
Turn
half
this
of
on.
it. I ain't gonna say I got it, but
Oh, yeah, that
Ooh.
looks so good. Oh, my goodness. All we're going to
that's
do
what I'm
is...
talking about.
Yeah, okay, now we're going to put a little cheese on top.
More cheese.
You know.
We're gonna be clogged up for a week.
Chives.
Chives. Okay, let's do it.
We'll just do some chives.
First step to doing chives is you gotta know how to open it.
Right?
Oh,
That just kind of make it kind of pretty.
Look.
There we go. Okay, now we're going to pop this into the oven.
Okay. Pop.
400 degrees until this is nice and melted because everything in here is cooked. Yes.
Right down the street, Clay Cooper
Oh yeah,
Theater.
I forgot to tell you this.
Yeah, I
That's
don't
where
have my
Tony's
Clay
at. He
Cooper
doesn't
on.
have his Clay Cooper stuff on, but
Yeah.
he's from the
I'm
Clay
still
Cooper
there.
show.
He hadn't fired me yet, so we're hanging in there.
Yeah.
Just by a thread.
Yeah.
Ladies and
Look at
gentlemen,
that, all
look
melted.
at that.
That's all you need. It's just that
Ooh.
cheese melted. That's all you
Are-
need.
now you this for dinner tonight
Oh, no,
or
we're gonna
what?
try it.
We fixing to
Actually,
eat.
I think I'll send it home with you.
No,
There you
I can't
go.
eat all this. And Sheila and Sydney, they'll just eat one scoop. So
Look at that.
look at this, folks. Oh, I got to get over here.
Look at that.
Right.
It looks good.
I'm
It
ready.
might be a little hot, but
Just that does have that little peppery, but it's got.
it's good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah,
You got to try this Mississippi
beef
beef
casserole.
is a hit. Ladies
good.
and gentlemen, do it.
It's very pepperoncini.
Mm-hmm.
So
Porcini.
if it's too much, only use half the jar. But it's pretty good. I mean, I like it. It's good.
It's
and
not
a
too
good
much.
easy supper. This is an easy supper.
Now, here's what probably one thing I
Without
might
all the
do.
talking, it
Yeah.
might take.
Throw a little
half the
cheddar
time.
on top.
Oh,
of
cheddar.
that, too.
Cheddar would be good. Yeah, cheddar would be good with that hamburger meat for sure.
Mm.
Yeah.
I got it running down my lips.
This is really good. You guys need to go make this. Go make
Hey,
it.
folks, do it.
Do it.
Don't let us have to tell you twice. Bye.
Yeah. Don't forget to come and see us here at Local Flavor. And if you're in town, go see Tony at the Clay Cooper Show. You'll love it.
It's fun.
Yep, it's
My mouth wasn't so
Sunday
full.
nights, Wednesday nights.
Sunday, Wednesday, Friday right now.
Yeah, Sunday nights, Wednesday nights,
Oh.
Friday nights.
Hot rods and high heels.
And hot rods and high heels. You're gonna love it. It is
50 show.
very enthusiastic. Oh my gosh! If you love all the old songs, you're gonna love that show.
The same days that Clay is, but it's at 2 o'clock with it, except on Sunday. Dean Z will be back in
And
town.
I love Dean Z. Yes.
He's been gone.
And Matt Gumshow is
Yeah.
there. We love Matt and Katie
And we
and the
just
whole
announced
family.
that
So
Randy
yeah.
Travis and all that mess.
Yeah,
I mean, stuff, excuse me. Stuff.
It's a good time. Dinner and a show right down the
Yes,
road.
right down. Thank you.
Thank you, Tony.
Thank you.
I appreciate
I love it.
you.
I always have fun.
And if you're here on the weekend, go see Tony at the House of Prayer. He'll
Reed
preach.
Spring.
He'll preach your socks off.
That's why I can't talk today. That's my problem.
Right.
Bye,
okay.
y'all.
Bye.